So while the blind's at the top, we'll put the motor into limit setting mode. Hold set on the back of the remote until the blind jogs, then send the blind down to the bottom. Press stop near the bottom and jog the blind into your desired position. Once happy, press and hold set, the blind will jog and the bottom limit is now set. Now we can send the blind to the top. And once again, jog the blind into the desired position. Once happy, press the set button until the blind jogs, and then press set a second time until the blind jogs again. Both bottom and upper limits are now set. The 1.2 Nm motor can hold up to 4 intermediate limits. To set a mid position, send the blind to a desired position. Press set on the back of the remote and the blind will jog. Press set a second time until the blind jogs again, and the intermediate limit is now set.